Students, this is NCERT exercise problem 1.13 from page number 33 of the solid state, right? So let's read the statement. Niobium crystallizes in body-centered cubic structure. If density is 8.55 gram per centimeter cube, calculate atomic radius of niobium using its atomic mass 93 unit, right? So in this question, they are saying niobium is crystallized in body-centered cubic structure. That means if I'll draw unit cell, the atoms of niobium are arranged at the corners and at the body center, right? So now they are saying if the density of niobium is 8.55 gram per centimeter cube, you have to tell about the atomic radius of niobium. That means this atom. Here in this picture, the atoms are far away from each other. But these two atoms, if I'll consider this as A and B, these are touching each other, right? So here, what you have to do, you have to tell about the atomic radius. That means radius of one atom using its atomic mass 93 unit. Now they have given you atomic mass m equal to 93 unit. This is atomic mass of one atom. Okay, so we have to take the atomic mass of 1 mole of atoms. That will be equal to 93 gram per mole. That means 1 mole of atoms of niobium is equal to 93 gram, right? To find the atomic radius, you have to use the formula. You can write R equal to under root 3 by 4a. That means you have to tell about the relation between radius of an atom and edge length of the unit cell. That means this length, right? We are not having the value of a. So first of all, we'll find the value of a. So we can find a with the help of relation d equal to z into m by a cube into n a. I'll simply take a cube on one side and rest value on the other side. So it will be z into m by d into n a, right? Now let's see z. Z is contribution of atoms in BCC structure, right? BCC means body centered cubic structure. Okay, so here the atoms at the corner contributes equal to 1 by 8. For one atom there are total 8 atoms, so it will be 1 by 8 into 8. That means contribution of these 8 atoms will be equal to 1 atom, right? So contribution of atoms at the corners plus contribution of atoms in the body. Now this atom totally belongs to this unit cell. That means contribution of this atom for this unit cell will be equal to 1, right? So contribution of atoms at the corners, there are 8 atoms. One atom contributes equal to 1 by 8. So total contribution will be equal to 1. So 1 atom plus contribution of atoms in the body. There is only one atom in between the body, right? So this atom totally contribute to this unit cell. So again, one atom. So 1 plus 1, that means 2 atoms. The value of Z is equal to 2 atoms. Now M. M is atomic mass of 1 mole of atoms, right? So atomic mass of 1 mole of atoms, we have find it out. So that is 93 gram per mole, right? Now density, that is 8.55 gram per centimeter cube. Na is Avogadro number of atoms, 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms per mole. Now we'll put the values. A cube equal to Z, that is 2 atoms, into M, 93 gram per mole, by density 8.55 gram per centimeter cube, into Avogadro number of atoms, 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms per mole. Now cancel this gram with this, right? Atoms with this, mole inverse with this mole inverse, right? Here in denominator you are having centimeter cube inverse, right? So when I'll take this value in numerator, it will be centimeter cube, right? So 2 into 93, that will be 186, right? Divided by 8.55 into 6.022, that will be 51.48 into 10 raised to power 23. Unit is centimeter cube only. So this 10 raised to power 23 is positive in denominator. When I'll take this value in numerator, it will be minus 23. That means A cube equal to 186 divided by 51.48 into 10 raised to power minus 23 centimeter cube. When you will divide 186 with 51.48, your answer will be A cube equal to 3.613 into 10 raised to power minus 23 centimeter cube. Now, to cancel this cube on A cube, what I'll do, I'll simply take cube root on both sides, right? So this cube will be cancelled with cube root, and this value will have cube root. It will be A equal to cube root of 3.613 into 10 raised to power minus 23 centimeter cube. When you'll solve cube root of this value, your answer will be A equal to 3.30 into 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter. So if I'll rearrange this value, that means if I'll move this decimal point up to 2 digits, that means here, so I'll have power in minus, that means 10 raised to power minus 2 into 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter. Both the powers are in multiplication, and base of these powers are also same, so you can simply add them. So A equal to 330 into 10 raised to power minus 2 minus 8 centimeter. So A equal to 330 into 10 raised to power minus 10 centimeter. 1 picometer equal to 10 raised to power minus 10 centimeter. That means it will be 330 picometer. In bracket you can write 1 picometer equal to 10 raised to power minus 10 centimeter. Now you have the value of A. Simply put that value in the relation. For body center, R is equal to under root 3 by 4 A. Now you have the value of A. So simply put that value, R equal to under root 3 by 4 into 330 picometer, right? Now here under root 3 is equal to 1.73, right, into 330 by 4, right? The whole value is in picometer. When you multiply 1.73 with 330, your answer will be 570.9 by 4, right? So when you divide this 570.9 with 4, your answer will be R equal to 142.72 picometer. Now you can round off this value. So R will be 143 picometer.